ngithi mara ngimbuzo kokuqala why wena ungamniki i-account yakho because hayi bafuna i-account yase-apps in other ways wabona ukuthi mangihamba naye sometimes uyangibona ngiswiper ngikhadi lase-ABSA or mangdraw yabo hayi ngithi hayi no problem because I don't know my account number ngikhanda ngizothi mangibuya ngizobuya nayo hayi sichubeke kube right angifonele futhi I think after a month how manje awusezi kwami uzongivakashela in kuba hectic ke nami emsebenzini sometimes ngingena nangama Saturday ebusuku angifonele athi hayi singeza kuwe manje siyodrawa le 4000 ngithi angeke ngikhone bathungu ningenza ukuthi kube ngathi hectic or in ngizobona kusasa ekseni hayi kulale kube right following day ngivuke ngemsebenzini ngidlule epark station ngidrawe leyo 5000 kamampela afike kungafiki yena usemsebenzini kufike indoda yakhe ihamba nomunye guy hayi sicela ukuthi usinikeze ke leyo 5000 hayi kamampela ngikhiphe ngiyebhegini ngikhiphe bafike nje reception ngithi ngicela ukuphuma nani ngaphandle because angifuni ukuthi kube ngathi in hayi bame ngaphandle vele ngiphume ngibanikeze ukuthuleke after 2 days bangifonela hayi mngani ngicela ukuthi
Fixhaven connects you with trusted plumbers, electricians, cleaners, and more right when you need them. Simply download the app, find reliable professionals near you, and get the job done right at the first time. And if you are a skilled professional looking for work, download Fixhaven Pro on the app stores, use the code CHRIS26 for a discount, and start getting jobs today. Go to the description and find their link there or on our first comment.
Welcome to the dopest show. Of course, I'm Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. Do one story at a time and one testimony at a time. New to the channel, where you be. Please subscribe, press the notification bell, join the membership, and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. We highly appreciate it. Thank you. James, are we good?
Yeah, we are good and we are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are back.
Yeah.
It feels like Sneskats na shoot, ne?
Serious?
Listen, Zach.
Yeah, I need to subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
We are outside.
Yeah, now I'm feeling I think this cutting my shoot.
Serious.
Hey, yeah. Ganda.
Yeah.
Story
Scott's
time.
Scott's time. Xesha guys. Sengikhohlele umele ngithini.
How?
Oh, story time namuhla.
Yeah, today is a story time.
No, we love it. We love it.
Stories?
Yeah, we love testimonies.
It's God's time.
Yeah, we love testimonies, man.
Oh, you love testimonies.
Yeah.
My sister is here. Siswami siyakwamukela futhi siyakubingelela ku Chris Network.
ngiyabonga it's a pleasure to be here.
Ninjani ma?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Yeah.
Bawungaqala nje ngoku-introduce emakhaya ukuthi ubani, uphumaphi, bese singena estoreni sakho.
Okay. Igama lami nguNhlanhla. Ngibuya Orlando West.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sacela nje sithathe sibeke from story sakho from the beginning. Kusho ukuthi ukhulele kanjani, ukhule ekhaya kanjani, then wagcina kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ugcine usuthola kulesimo owagcina ukuso, then waphuma kanjani.
Hayi ngikhule kahle kakhulu ekhayeni eli right ngikhuliswa ugogo, umamami, my siblings, family nje right, we were a big family ekhaya. Ngena kahle isikolo from lower primary until high school until my matric. And then when I'm at high school, I met this friend of mine. Siqala from besisayibiza bo Form 1. Siyenza Form 1 and then sabat very close. Sakhula sonke. When we passed matric, saba separated. Waya kwenye university, ngaya kwenye university. Sikhula kanjalo nje sinama contacts si inviteana mangenza party or ayenza party, and then I fall pregnant. Ngam invite her senza I baby shower. Weza ku baby shower kwaba mnandi. Bengisase nendlu somewhere kuma RDP house, ngathenga nje just an RDP house. Sa enjoy kumnandi. Well, I think besengicede ukwenza matric. Lo mngani wami sibe separated, afunde kwenye indawo nami ngifunde kwenye indawo after sengibile nomntwana and everything. Saluza ama contact.
Yeah.
2 years I think after ngathola umsebenzi. I worked endaweni angeke ngimention igama layo. Ngahlangana naye in Joburg. Mangihlangana naye, how yazi ngimanyela angisakuboni, awusekho kuma social, ngithi ayutshintsha ama phone ayalahleka, sometimes ngiluza ama contact, ayisi nikane ama phone futhi si connect ne. Ukuconnecteni kwami naye sibuye futhi sibe right. Athi yazi mngani ngicela ukuthi this time uze kwami ngoba sengihlala kwami manje, nawu nekwakho nginabantwana abayi4, abanye ngibathole within South African men, abayi2 ngibathole ne Nigerian guy. Ngithi awu Chomo, hayi it's nice ke. Angifonele one time kwi exeni ngisemsebenzini. Bengisebenza as a receptionist lapho bengisebenza khona. Athi ayichomo kuphi usemsebenzini? Ngithi yes. Athi lunch yakho ngubani? Ngithi hayi lunch yami it's about 1 to 2. At can I take you out for lunch? Si connect nje. Ngathi no stress, ungeza kamampela afike sambe siye space fake isidle si connect futhi kube into ya usual naye esebenzela around eJoburg. Yeah. Kube into ya time and again. Sometimes when times goes on, mhlambe after a month or 2 uyangifonela, hayi woza kwami uzongivakashela, nami ngizoza ngimvakashele. And she was staying nale Nigerian guy. Athi umshadile. Ngithi hayi no problem, angeke ngibandlulile abantu ukuthi uthandana nobani or what not. I'm not God, uyabona.
Yeah, he's a human.
Hayi ngiye vele ngihambe nomntanami sometimes sivakashe ngilale Friday, Saturday, Sunday ngibuye kanjalo naye yaze kwami sitshintshana nje. Hayi ekhambeni kwesikhathi senze layo ma up and down. I think kuphela unyaka. Once December angifonela athi hayi woza ngizoyenza umntanami pregnant. Ngenza baby shower for yena. Ngithi no problem. Ngithenga izinto ozongidecoratisa kwenzekale ke ngiye ngifike ngimdecoratise. Ngihlale I think ngahlala khona Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ngabuya Monday ngivuka ngimsebenzini. On a Monday ekseni angitshela athi yo yazi mngani monga ngenzela nje a big favor. Ngithi yini leyo? Athi umuntu wami ucela i-account yakho isebenzisayo mangabe uke wangenelwa imali eningi ebank yakho, at least ngoba ufuna ukuvula like something like a franchise or something shop, yabo. Ngithi mina how manje wena why ungamniki ngoba nawe uyahola. Okay, mina ngeke ngangenelwa vele imali bengithi mangiyeka umsebenzi ngithole amba uma 50,000 90 yabo ngathi hayi no problem, but angiyazi account number okwamanje. Ngicela ukuthi ungiphi isikhathi ngizothi mangibuya ngizobuya nayo. Ngithi mara ngimbuzo kokuqala why wena ungamniki account yakho, because hayi bafuna account yase-apps. In other ways wabona ukuthi mangihamba naye sometimes uyangibona ngiswipe ngicard lase-ABSA or mangidraw yabo. Hayi ngithi hayi no problem, because I don't know my account number ngikhanda. Ngizothi mangibuya ngizobuya nayo. Hayi sichubeke kube right. Angifonele futhi I think after a month. How manje awusezi kwami uzongivakashela in bekuba hectic ke nami emsebenzini, sometimes bengena nangama Saturday. Ngenye Saturday ngichayise ngiye kuye bangilande nayo indoda yakhe. Hayi thi sizokulanda ngoba sifuna ukubraya kube mnandi endlini, thenga amatshala vele kuphuzwe. Hayi leyo Saturday ke umuntu angibuza uthi manje account singayi kuyoyilanda because my man we need vele because ufuna ukuvula le store by next month. And simoshekile sama ufuna ukulungisa 1 2 3 qala before asithenga. Ngithi hayi no problem. Ngithi hayi mara angeke siye kwami manje, ngizoza nayo on next month mangiza kwakho. Hayi kuthuleki. Angifonele ngisemsebenzini siphume futhi for lunch. How makusasenjalo umuntu ngiyaya kwakhe ke sengiyangiwani umntanami ngimuse kabo late husband yami. Hayi ngifike athi ngicela ukuthi sihlangane mawuchayisa, sihlangane kuphi sogibela ama taxi or sizo requesta siye kwami. No problem, mara ngicela ukuthi ungakhohle account. Angifonela kusekuseni ngingakaphumi endlini ngabo sithi hayi no problem, ngize vele necard lami ngize na account ngilibhale. Ngifike ke ngimnikeza. Hawu mangimnikeza kuphele I think kwaphela inyanga 1.5 months kungayenzakali nix. One day ngiyasebenza ngisemsebenzini ngabo 10 angifonela athi yomngani ayikangeni lento le bengithi indoda yami ulindele imali le bengithe bacela ukuthi bayifake e-accountini yami. Ngithi hayi akangeni imali anginabe kune in contact like ifone yangireportela. Ngithi hayi akangeni imali. Athi hayi uthi ngenile ngicela ukuthi uphume wena ngetithami yakho or ngelunch yakho uyodrawa. Ngithi hayi itithami yami incane, it's 15 minutes, I can't go ngiye upside because ngiwalka 15 minutes uke backstage. Angeke ngikhona ngizoba late, ngizoyenza mangichayisa. Hayi kamampela ngithi sharp nangu umuntu ngabo chayisa ngo4 ngifike backstage 4:30 ngidrawe I think ngathi ngiyadrawa ngithi wathi ngidraw 1,000 ngiyadrawa vele 1,000 mangidraw 1,000 only to found out kungene 470,000 plus $500,000. Ngithi hayibo chomi ngimfonela hayi mngani imali engenile la imali engaka kanti why athi hayi iyo leyo mali beka expectile ngicela ukuthi icard lakho lidraw malini ngaphandle. Ngithi hayi lidraw i5,000 athi khipha i4,000 ke manje izoba i5,000 ngingayikhiphi le 4,000. Ngithi hayi ngicela ukuyenza ekseni because manje ngijahile ngabe ngihamba ngestimela, ngicela ukuthi ngingayikhiphi ngizoyenza ekseni. Mathi ayicela ukuza ke kwakho manje ngithe ngiyahamba ngendlini ngijahele umntwana because bokumele ngiyomlanda bengimlanda every time mangehla ngimlanda kithi bese ngiyakwami. Hayi ngihlale ngithule mangisathulile kanjalo ebusuku angifonela athi hayi singeza kuwe manje siyodrawa le 4,000. Ngithi angeke ngikhone bathungu ningenza ukuthi kube ngathi hectic or in ngizobona kusasa ekseni. hayi kulale kube right. Following day ngivuke ngemsebenzini ngidlule epark station ngidrowe leyo 5,000 kamampela afike kungafiki yena usemsebenzini kufike indoda yakhe ihamba nomunye guy. Hayi sicela ukuthi usinikeze ke leyo 5,000. Hayi kamampela ngikhiphe ngiye ebhegini ngikhiphe bafike nje reception ngithi ngicela ukuphuma nani ngaphandle because angifuni ukuthi kube ngathi in hayi bame ngaphandle vele ngiphume ngibanikeze tu kuthuleke. Aw after 2 days bangifonela, hayi mngani ngicela ukuthi siyokhipha at least imali yokuthi sifuna ukurenovate istore lesi sifuna ukuvula kusi franchise. Ngithi hayi no problem. Kamampela bafike ngelunch sambe seceleni kwase ngisebenzele eBram. Mangifike eBram singene ebank basele ngaphandle. Ngingene ngiphethe iID, hayi ngizocela ukuthi ngikhiphe i70,000 kunemali engingenele ngicela azibangitshela ukuthi ngingasho ukuthi inami nje I was confused ngidoma ngingazi nix. Ngene kamampela ibank bathi hayi sizoyenza inotice angeke iphume namhlanje izophuma ngakusasa. Kamampela ngiphume banginikeza islip eshoyo ukuthi hayi imali uzoyithola the following day. Hayi bayenze ke leyo notice kamampela bafike futhi ngelunch ngiye banginikeze leyo 70,000 ngibanikeze. Sekahamba nayo ke ngalelo langa lelo. Nithi hayi nize mangichayisa ngizoyikhipha but nize mangichayisa because lento yokuthi ngiloke ngenza ama pen down iyangidisturb emsebenzini ku hectic. Hayi kamampela bafike mangichayisa ngibanike 70,000 kuthuleke. After 2-3 weeks again hayi sesirenovatile a shop akahambi nayo indoda yakhe still indoda yakhe seyiza nalama Nigeria abayi4. Hayi akusayiwa kule bank ebengiye kuyo sesiya ebank yase Westgate. Ngifike nakhona hayi ngizokhipha i100,000. Imanager yakuleyo bank ingibuza ukuthi how imali engaka uyithathaphi yabo. Ngithi hayi mina umngani wami ushadwe ile Nigerian and then uthi ucele ukufaka imali ku account. So manje ucela ukuthi ngoba ngeke ngangenelwa imali nje inkulu leyo lo wathi okay but angeke isikhona ukukunikeza i100,000 sizokunikeza i40,000. Nithi okay yona ke yaphuma same day ngiyikhiphi banginike bame ngaphandle leso sikhathi ngiphume ngibaniki. Kuphele inyanga ngihambe futhi ngiyodrawa kudrawa kwenye ibank saya eEastgate Mall. Mangifika lapha bathi ngidraw 150.
Sure.
Mangifika kuleyo bank same question bathi ayihlala la kancane sicela ukuthi sibize imanager obufuna imali eningi simbuza ukuthi are you allowed ukuthi uyikhiphe. Baze bangiphe icounseling ebank bathi why ungathathi enye imali uyifake ku-fix account yakho. Ngithi no I can't do that. Mabethi why? Ngithi mina this is not my money. Bathi kanti kabani le mali? Hayi ngibatshela umngani wami uthe ucela ukuthi indoda yakhe. Hayi mayifika imanager bahlale nami phansi bathi ubani lo mngani wakho? Ngithi hayi umngani wami bengikhuluma naye from high school ungicelile ukuthi ucela iaccount bafuna account yase Absa year ezoba at least kuke kwangena imali so kanti sebayi investigator bamile ngaphandle abangena ngene nabo emabanki. Hayi mebese investigator so ngathi bathi okay ima kancane sifuna ukucheck ukuthi ibuyapi le mali. Angazi bacheke kanjani or what not kuthuleke. After an hour ngiloke ngihlele ebank ngibona kungena amaphoyisa. Bakungena amaphoyisa bathi sisi kenzakalani hayi ngi-explainele amaphoyisa lawa nemanager ngithi hayi umngani wami he's dating ilo ushade naye eNigeria ucele ukuthi ibank ini what not sadrawa 70 qala sadrawa banginikeza 40 bathi ubani lo mngani wakho hayi ngimusho uhlalaphi ngithi angiyazi address ngoba uhlala somewhere lapho eMpuma Yuvel Hillbrow somewhere lapho but I can take you there ngathi babonile kufike amaphoyisa or something bangaphandle bahleli bebeyi3 ngalelo langa mara umfazi akekho bukile ndoda nabangani bakhe bangaphandle babonile kungena amaphoyisa bayitshela ukuthi hey mhlambe aze kimi or what not I don't know basebenza kanjani bathi okay ngoba wena uthi indoda yomngani wakho ungayosibonga bangaphandle labantu bathi okay wena phuma as if uzophuma uphethe imali hayi mangiphuma nowhere to be found abantu abasekho ngibuyele ngithi hayi le moto bengihamba ngayo angisayiboni and you understand leso sikhathi ngihamba ngiqoke izinto zomsebenzi inemtech yonke into ngithi angisababoni and ngize ngingaphethanga imali yokugibela and what not but ithi soyenza so sicela ukuthi because le account sayibona ukuthi imali ebekurojwe bathini konje kurojwe ama property I2 angaza wakuphi bayifaka iaccountini yakho sizoyifreeze manje le account bayifreeze kanjalo mara ungabatsheli ukuthi iaccount izofreeze wena phuma uthi imali bathi ubuye ngakusasa okay no problem sesiyabuya manje kuphele vele bangangifo basingi hawangisaniboni ngimfonela mngani labantu athi hayi kube neemergency angazi umntana wakhe bekagula kwakhosi ukuthi bayomlanda in ngizenze dom vele ngithi amaphoyisa wangithiphile kuphele bathi ungabatsheli nikusuthule kuphele 3 weeks bafone futhi hayi isizoya casino siyodraw leyo mali nyane sizoyidraw noma i50 kuyoba ngathi siyodlala ama game sicela kaMampela hayi no problem kaMampela casino because I don't know ukuthi what is what bafike bangene nabo benza ngathi badlala ama game ngiye lapha eThilini banginike icard leli lase casino Gold Reef bangifike Gold Reef ngithi ngicela ukudraw 50,000 but wenzani nge50,000 ngithi ngizodlala but no sis angeke because you are the first client ithi sikunike 15,000 ye esingakunika yona uzodlala ngayo ngithi hayi no problem banginikeza 15,000 kube ngathi ngiyodlala ama game ngifike ngibaniki kube ngathi siyadlala sicede isiphume sami how ivumile nga following 2 weeks futhi ayasibuyelene ekhasini ngithi hayi mina ngeke ngibuyele ekhasini bathe ngiyi first client ngcono kiwe ebank lapho engizokhona ukuthi ngiyodraw angithi angibatshela ukuthi bathe ngingabatshela ukuthi account ifreeziwe or what not hayi kaMampela mangihamba mangifika ebank sayekwe yipi bank angisayikhumbuli leyo yokugcina mangifika ngithi manje la ngaphandle ngene I think mase sengibhizi phakathi nabo ngibiza manager futhi ngithi yazini kune situation la labantu bangidrawisile and namanje yabona ngiphephi iphepha lela maphosa banginika lona bathi makenzakala so ngabafonela kaMampela beza mangifona kanjalo kanti angibazi mina labantu basebenza kanjani bavele babaleka still bathi ngibathathe ngibayise lapho kuhlala khona ugirl umngani wami lo masifika khona nowhere to be found akekho should bamuvele somewhere bayohlala as akukhiwe mara izinto bashiyile ngingabatholi hayi nini bayeze emsebenzini lamaphoyisa ngithi hayi mina labantu ngizozama ukuba tracer ngoba angazi ukuthi kenzalani bathi angeke sikubambe vele wena awunacala umuntu esimfunayo yilo abantu abayenze le money laundry ukuthi bayifake accountini yakho after a month angifonela hayi Chomi bathi bane connection ebank indoda yathi no connection ngithi yazini ngicela nikhiphe le mali if ne connection niphumeni kimi nithathe le mali yenu because le mali ingifake enkingeni manje amaphoyisa aza emsebenzini afuna mina bathi ngizoloke nginifuna mangikufuna ngikutholi njalo endlini manje so uyangidoja nabo angisabatholi angisazi kenza ngalani naye ngiyamfonela akasabambi ifoni makabona ukuthi number yami athi hayi Chombo ungamfoneli yimi engizokhuluma naye in how ngimtshela ngithi yazi le mali le ngikhona manje bangitshelile bank bathi it's a fraud nenze ifraud ukuthi nifake imali accountini yami is the way wagcina ukukhuluma nami ebanki by freeze imali at all ukuthi ingasaphumi and imagine ukuthi mina nginemali lapho ku current account ebengiyisave all along angikhonanga ngidliwe imali yami kudliwe nale mali le ebeyisele ebank kungasi attention yami. That's my story.
Sure. So inangizana umngane wakho mawusumfonela usamthola.
Angisamtholi at all. Ku Facebook, ku WhatsApp, calls angisamtholi.
Ayenzima ndaba.
Utheni indlela?
Yo, bengisasemncane, I was 32. Now I'm 50 years of age.
Hey, ndaba kade bayiqala lento yabo. Ini konje athini igama layo Yahoo Boys ekade afika bosida
Ayidala bona bayicale nje babona nje ukuthi hayi umngani udomnyana angeka nake or what not.
Manje yaphelela by account mazange
Since freeze lazange ngahamba ngayosivulela till namanje but I still get ama message ukuthi ngizoyenza kuma mali builder because benginaye njoba ngisho ukuthi kwenye current account bayangitshela ukuthi I must come in so ngiyasaba I'm scared ukuthi when I can go there ngibuyele but was ngiyomtholaphi ngoba bengiya kwakhe ngingasamtholi ngoba bathutha futhi lapho bebehlala khona.
But okay, angijukhule naye.
Yeah.
Kubo
ngiyazi but bathola indlu ePitori umamakhe.
Ngifamily yakuba kwazi ukuyitrace mhlawumbe.
Hayi angiyeke ngize ngitrace ke ifamily yakubo ngoba bahlala ePitori manje. Yena ngizwa bathi uhlala somewhere boma yini le ndawo lezi zingane inadeli.
Okay.
Yeah. Nje ngathi sekahlukana vele naloyo muntu obekashade naye Nigerian guy.
Lado akafadle nje mabedate umuntu ala vele basuka beze ngesifana.
Yeah.
Ifraud into ya.
Yena suspect abayibona yonke leyo.
Hayi mali.
Yeah.
Mali problem. Ukhona ivideo. Khona ivideo ngibonile uyujita ngibona ku TikTok lo mjito le Nigeria nathi vele eNigeria vele ngathi career yabo vele wasoqede ngesikolo kwakho nje bakuhlaba ngeplane ticket.
Sure.
Your tash.
Yewan.
Zathi yabuma
mara bayi corrupted abantu South Africa. Kosisibethu ba corrupted.
Manje amaphoyisa zangasakulandelela zangasa
Yona they were keep on coming at my work ngabatshela ukuthi there's nothing I can do. I take you where I must take you guys. I don't know anything since aphelela lapho anyway because I never opened a case vele.
So zange affect nomsebenzi.
Azange ngiaffect ke shame emsebenzini. I don't want to lie. The only thing ba freeze account. Ba freeze account then I have to go and open another account. Ngabanje ngaluza nama savings wami because ngasaba nje
yazi bayibangifreeze ayibangifreeze but now ungena phakathi ebank bese uyafona bakuboost imali kanjani but kimbayivula serious because vele ayikwakwimali
clean azange yakhishwa since freezile
ngicabanga James
and I so wish abengazi nami leso sikhathi mhlambe bengizozikhiphela ngizibambele ngithi na 150 ngiwinile cash yami kanti
Bosave imali mami for mind ukushare. Bosave imali wena esayidine yakho.
Eyami abokwabo ma 80 something thousand.
Hey.
Phela enye imali bengithi mangiyeka emsebenzini ngithola imali zama provident fund ngivalele ukwabona
manje awukwazi nokuye bank uxoxa stereotype
ngike ngaya ke honestly
imali fraud share
honestly ngike ngaya ngathi kuma savings wami bathi no bazoyithatha bayifake kule account le enye. I don't know whether iqiniso or nabo bayazidlela ke leyo mali. Ngike ngaya honestly yabo
isali ihengi yazi ubhluka kanjani leyo
abayiphuphudli
enegcinele iyakuvela imali
abayiphuphudli
obviously ebank ngoba neyami nje ukuba ngisho abathi no sizoyithatha sifake ngale because I was not even sure ukuthi vele bazoyenza bayithathe bayise ngale.
Should losisi lo ukuyise emalantshini kanje uneplan
uzoyikhokha le malantshi
yo at least ngabe ngasidrawela noma i5000 ngisithathele ngidle nix
awutobhanga
nix
yo
ngwesi ngize ngaluza mina self so trust umngane nokuba loyal
nokuba loyal hayi lesson then isifundo sokuthi especially umuntu mayeza nje ekhuluma ngendaba zakho namabhenki na khona umuntu akazenzele yabona when it comes to lezinto ezamabhenki umuntu akazenzele mfethu
ngambuza yena ngathi why don't you athi no mina ngisebenzisa i-Absa ngisebenzisa Standard Bank so bafuna le eyase Standard Bank eke yangenelwa at least imadlanyana mina ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngabo boma 80,000 yabo or even less than 100,000 kanti and I report ngithi I reflect ukuthi imali njengoba bayisho ukuthi hambo drawer ingenile yona sebene show shoot the way benze ngakhona I don't know how bayazi bane show ingenile
bathele imali buyapi
bathe angazi imali ebuya kuphi but mina ebank bangitshela ukuthi benze ifraud ngama properties angazi ama property one
elawani bagangile la
470,000 ngisayikhumbula namanje
dubane
nesent and ngabe bengazi bengiyo ebank following day ngisidrowele noma 150 ngizibekele
konke ngifuna uunderstand ke manje mangithi into eyenzeke nini le bese ngibuzela eminyaka like the year because ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay amara vele nokutransfera bezokutrap mara at that time ukwazi utransfera vele
I like mangisebenza ngithi ngiyazitransferela mina bakungene imali engaka mhlambe ngithi nayi 10,000 ithi ngifake kuma savings mangabe kungene mhlambe ngiya retrench mhlambe the company bengisebenza kuyi ngithole 15,000 ngifaka 5,000 or ngifaka 10,000 yabo mangabe ngithole 30,000 kanjalo
no bese ngibuzela ukuthi ile mali mayingena azange bathi okay imali elingene ithi ngitransferele imali eniphumeni kimi
yo azange ngicabanga lokho
but kuyafana phela abantu abafuni into ebalini
yazi ukuthi abafuni ukuthi transfer sengisho
abafuni ukuthi transfer bafuna no bazange icabange leyo ngoba okuqala angithi uyabona ukuthi bangenze kanjani asambe soyikhipha sizoma ngaphandle uyikhipha mina bangitshela next ayikhipha i70,000 sifuna ukuyo renovate the franchise lathi sitholile inembobo i99 ama toilet and what not you understand nami ngifike ngithi hayi ngicela ngikhiphele i7 but ayizophuma after 2 days kama impela babuye after 2 days kanjalo
hayi impilo
kuraf
mali this yakudala sewa recover
senga recover
into ebuhlungu ukuthi it's still happening
even now
abantu are still falling kuwo lama traps abanye baze baboshwe
ngayibona ke TV the other lady obekuyinurse naye kwayenza mara naye kwakumngani wamfaka waboshwa wayobhantinta umntana akhe angazi urinike nayibona iTV wayobhantinta about 10 years Yeah.
Ukuthi labantu bayenza yabona manje abantu bangaphandle baqala bathi kubo wayeyiking ubaba wakho uyiking baleka
Oza ama email la lamke ngayithola email le ukuthi kunemali elibabiza imali ehlanya umuntu athi 100 million in lezo itori zokuthi inkosi kuphi imali ihleli kuphi ufuna umuntu
But the question is any foreign guy who's dating our sister with like pure intentions?
bakhona
Hayi,
ukuthi
Shem.
nje laba ababhedayo bangcolisa laba abaclean so ngathi majority laba ababheda
Mina ngibona
By the
ngathi
look of
nje naye
things.
lo mngani wami she was aware about that because unabantwana abayi2 aware because
Aware,
I think
yeah.
beke change nama bank uke wazi ngasemsebenzini hayi ngifuna ukuyovula iaccount FNB hayi le account ngifuna ukuyovula angitshela nje idory yabo should beke aware yabo yena ukuthi uphila leyo nto should ngasho ngathi should waye aware ukuthi hayi
abekazi
not even today angimazi ukuphi asikhulumisani we never ngathi hayi right uhlale lapha ehleli khona nami I'll stay where I am.
Hi, my sister siyabonga she's eating jollof. Otherwise, is a lesson ukuthi abantu babe careful out there. Babone ukuthi like umuntu nje ukufuna ama banking nemali zakhe izongena umuntu imali zakhe ayingene kuyo. Finish. Ungalokhu unika abantu ama banking details usiza ngama banking details wakho wena. Imali ulinde imali zabantu no. So otherwise James we out.
We out.
Yeah, one story at a time.